Clock in, clock in. Black guy that just walked in.
Yeah. He already dead, there ain't no need to check his vitals, bitch. He already dead, there ain't no need to check his vitals. Yeah, crunch time, yeah, nigga, it's lunch time. Let go, crunch time, yeah, nigga, it's lunch time. Yeah, crunch time, yeah, nigga, it's lunch time. Let go, crunch time, yeah, nigga, it's lunch time. He dead.
Team Black got a stunt up, man. Yeah, I think it's safe to say Melly's ex-girlfriend, mama, don't even vibe with the state at all. She don't want to have nothing to do with y'all. Matter of fact, what T.I. said, I want to kick it with you, I want to skate with you, nothing.
I don't want to see you, talk to you, kick it with you, skate with you, nothing, man.
Obviously, video we just seen show us she is so aggravated, and it was a lot of reasons that we could hear on why she could be aggravated. She feel like her daughter being bullied on top of that, and she was arrested and also on ankle monitoring. Feel like she's forced to be where she's at, you feel me? And I don't think she feel like she forced. I pretty much think she had no choice, but y'all know how that go. But if State's plan was to get one up on that one, I think that put them a little bit one down. You did what I'm saying? You're a little bit too hot at you. She was definitely a little bit too hot at you. But before she came back to the stand, the judge was pretty much telling the prosecutor and the lawyer what they can and what they can't say. And the judge was basically letting the prosecutors know you can't bring up statements she already said she don't remember saying. But let's watch this video.
Talk a little bit about your
Oh, she already look aggravated coming back.
You recall
She ain't with it.
provided a copy of that deposition.
Yes, I did. My lawyer got provided a copy.
When you, in that deposition, were you asked if your prior
Objection.
statement...
Improper impeachment. I heard it over. You can ask your question, Counsel.
Ms. Holmes, prior to that deposition starting, were you given your prior statement to review?
What you mean?
Were you?
I understand. The deposition that I did on December 22nd? Yes,
Yes.
it was given to my lawyer yesterday, right before,
Oh.
briefly to look at, yes.
Oh. So the deposition you have, that was
It was
provided
given
to
to my
your
lawyer
attorney
yesterday, yes it was.
Oh, so I guess the judge said they could talk about the
Do
statement.
you remember coming into that deposition?
Yes, I do. I was in jail, put me in jail. Yes,
Correct.
I remember.
She would not forget. So if you're wondering why she looking very aggravated, upset, mad, I would assume she don't like them folks. She really not vibing. She really not in the mood to talk to them. It's looking like she feel like she been treated like she did something to somebody. She pissed off. She done went to jail and all behind this. She not trying to talk to them people.
So it's clear in terms of you don't want to be here.
You're making me be here. Yes, I have
Yes.
a house, a band on my leg. I'm a nurse. I can't even work properly. Yes.
Yes, you were under house arrest because you failed to comply with the subpoena.
No, you did not serve me
Excuse me,
subpoena.
sustain. Listen. How we're going to do this is you ask your questions, counsel, and listen to her question, answer her question.
Yes, I
All right?
am. Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Okay.
W
So
judge.
going back to the deposition.
Yes.
On December 14th of 2022.
Yes.
Do you remember coming to my office?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Do you remember being asked questions at that time?
Yes, I do.
Do you recall being given a copy of your prior statement of December 12th, 2018?
No, I don't remember that. I don't remember thinking, but I'm pretty sure. I do.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is permission to approach you on it
With
Well,
what?
she don't remember
for
that.
deposition.
Objection, Your Honor.
I have to give her an opportunity to.
I saw my
Excuse me. There's no question pending of you. All right, you can proceed, counsel.
Okay. So, counsel, I'm showing her page 10, line 10 through 17. Okay, so just read them silently to yourself. So back on December 14th of 2022, were you asked if you need to make any corrections or deletions to the statement of December of 2018?
That's what the deposition said, judicially.
And did you indicate that there was no corrections or deletions in those statements?
I don't remember, but that's what's on the deposition.
So December of 2022, you said that this was a correct statement.
Objection. Sustained.
So Ms. Holmes, is the December 2018 statement that you gave correct and honest?
Objection. Asked and answered. Excuse me.
State is pretty much trying to get her to agree to this statement that she first did. Like, she asking the same question 150,000 times. She keep telling you she don't remember. You keep asking her, do she remember? And she respond and tell you, I don't remember. State is not holding back with this. And I ain't gonna lie, the lawyers on it in the back. Objection. Real quick.
You have to I don't understand you're trying to answer the question, Ms. Holmes, but when they raise an objection, you have to let me answer the objection first.
Yes,
all
sir.
right? Objection notice overruled. Question is the statement, repeat your question.
Is this December 2018 statement correct and honest?
I don't remember the December 2018 statement.
She don't remember.
In December of 2022,
Yes, ma'am.
did you state that it was an honest and correct statement?
That's what you put in the deposition. I don't remember saying it, so I can't remember verbatim what happened that day. I remember some parts of this deposition, but not all.
Okay, is there anything that you need to refresh your recollection to determine whether or not I'm being truthful and accurate as to what the question was in your answer?
I don't know to say that.
Okay.
Is that a question?
I've asked if there's anything that
Please,
was told.
one at a time. All right? Just one at a time. Let her finish her answer before you ask the next question.
So, Ms. Holmes, is there anything that would help refresh your recollection?
I don't think so. I don't know.
Would the audio of the statement of December 2018 help you?
Objection.
Well, she keep talking about this statement,
What's the
boy.
objection?
She need that statement.
Testified 3 times.
Excuse me.
What's on this statement?
Not as to this. Go ahead. Overruled.
I don't know. I don't.
So, Ms. Holmes, with regards to the events of October 26th of 2018,
Yes, ma'am.
did you travel down here to Broward County?
Yes, I did.
Who did you come with?
My daughter, Melly.
Okay, where did you go?
We went to one of Janelle's friend's house.
And whose house was that?
Frida.
Okay. And no approaching has been previously shown to defense counsel.
Here they go
and
trying to
marked
bring
as
Fredo
Triple
again
N
up.
For identification purposes only. Ms. Holmes, do you recognize the two individuals in that photograph?
Yes, I do.
How do you recognize them?
I know Frida from being on Instagram from rapping. He's a rapper.
Okay, any other individual in that photo?
My daughter's boyfriend.
Okay.
I'm sorry. I apologize. I didn't hear that.
I'm sorry.
I didn't hear your answer. Could you
Which
repeat?
one? Do I recognize?
Thank you.
I do recognize Frida from Instagram for being a rapper, and I recognize Janelle from dating my daughter.
You're at this time, the state would request to move states triple N in as the next numbered exhibit.
Any objection?
Relevance.
Overruled. It'll be admitted.
States triple N, B mark states 62.
She's in a very uncomfortable position, y'all. But I guess he ain't supposed to be comfortable, huh?
This is the photo that you can see on your screen that you just identified? Okay. So when you said Frito, is this the individual's house you went to?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, man.
Ms. Holmes, how much money has the defendant's manager given you since the October of 2018?
Objection. Relevance.
Whoa.
Why don't you come sidewalk?
Yes, ma'am.
How much money have you gotten from the defendant, Jamal Simmons' manager?
None.
Now that's a new one she pulled out of the hat. You dig what I'm saying? She's making it look as if she's been getting bribed to act the way she's acting. Now it is a little unusual because she don't know a damn thing at all. I wouldn't be surprised they ask her birthday and she say she don't know. You dig what I'm saying? But now the image they trying to paint to the jury is basically that she's getting paid to act this way.
With regards to that specific statement. Ms. Holmes, you have formerly had a credit union
I
account?
used to do launch credit union
Okay. And at Launch Credit Union, you've banked there for a number of years?
many years.
The credit union that you've been at, it's been your account, and I won't put your account number on the record for that reason.
Can I object to this line of questioning based on the court's ruling?
Objection notes overruled. Proceed.
So the your testimony is that you have never been given money whatsoever.
I've never been given money for personal use.
Okay. So the question is, how much money have you been given by the defendants?
For a vacation for all of us, for him, his wife, and me, to pay for it, as far as he gave me $5,000 for Airbnb, which I gave him $1,000 to deposit that.
So he did give you money?
Not for personal use.
Okay.
Excuse me, can we clarify who he is,
Objection, Your Honor.
Jameson Francois?
Objection, or just clarify, counsel.
Sure. So it's clear, who is Jameson Francois?
He's trapped, he's Melly's manager.
And you mentioned his wife as well. Who's his wife?
I used to go by AA.
So AA and his wife.
We were all good friends.
So I'm going to go through now what's been previously shown to defense counsel and marked as states triple M. It's a composite of 17 pages. Did you have an opportunity to review that prior to coming into court today?
Yes, I did.
Okay. And in terms of the individuals and the phone numbers that are on that, do you recognize your own phone number?
No, I do not.
Okay. Going forward through the contents
Well, show 'em
of
like
that particular item, do you recognize a conversation about a snake?
No, I do not. I know they had a snake. I don't recognize this conversation.
Okay. With regards to the conversation about the snake that you do remember, what do you remember about the snake?
That they had a snake.
What happened to it?
Objection, relevancy.
Sustained.
She asked, what? I ain't gonna lie. It's like the prosecutor knows some of the questions she's asking is gonna get an objection, but she just getting it out so the jurors could hear it, so they could build their own perspective in their head. So even if she get an answer from the question she asks, she know it's still good because it's gonna make the jurors feel some type of way. You feel me? Because shit, it even made me feel some type of way. Cause like, now you bringing up money. Now you got me thinking somebody could be paid to act like this. But I bet you if she went on the stand doing exactly what they wanted her to do, they wouldn't say nothing about her getting paid. They wouldn't even bring up no money. But the fact that she's not no help, now it's like, okay, we gotta discredit her. We gotta make her look like, yeah, she getting paid to act crazy up here like that. You feel what I'm saying? But yeah, man, there's a lot going on right now. I would say the judge is scratching his head, but I would be scratching my head if I was him. But he handling the situation very well. You know, he's keeping order in there. And man, I don't know. This right here is a lot to take in for real. Like a whole lot to take in. I really want to know how y'all feel about this in the comments below. Let me know how y'all feel how she's doing on the stand. Is she in favor of Melly or is she in favor of the state? Catch y'all in the next video, man. I'm gone.